Infrastructure as a Service, at Infrastructure as a Service is a form of cloud computing that provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. Instead of purchasing and maintaining physical hardware like servers, storage, and networking equipment, businesses can rent these resources on demand from a cloud provider. This allows organizations to scale their infrastructure needs up or down based on demand, pay only for what they use, and focus on their core business rather than managing IT infrastructure. Core concepts. Virtualization is at the heart of IaaS. It involves creating a virtual version of something, like a server or a network, that can run multiple operating systems and applications on a single physical server. This enables better utilization of physical resources and provides users with the flexibility to manage their virtual resources as if they were physical hardware. Compute resources in IaaS refer to virtual machines, VMs, which act like physical computers but exist as software on a host system. Users can choose the number of CPUs, amount of RAM, and type of operating system for their VMs. This makes it easy to tailor computing power to specific needs. Storage in IaaS is provided as virtualized disks that can be attached to virtual machines. Users can scale their storage needs dynamically, choosing between different types of storage like block storage for database applications or object storage for storing large amounts of unstructured data like multimedia files. Networking in IaaS includes virtual networks, load balancers, and IP addresses. These services allow users to configure their virtual machines and storage to communicate over a secure network. IaaS providers also offer features like virtual private networks, VPNs, and firewalls to ensure the security of the network. Advantages of IaaS. Scalability is a major advantage of IaaS. Since resources are virtualized, they can be quickly scaled up or down to meet demand without needing to invest in or deploy additional physical hardware. This is particularly useful for businesses with fluctuating workloads or those experiencing rapid growth. Cost efficiency is another key benefit. IaaS operates on a pay-as-you-go model, meaning businesses only pay for the resources they use. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments in physical hardware and reduces ongoing maintenance costs. Flexibility and control are also significant advantages. IaaS allows businesses to choose the operating systems, development environments, and applications they want to run on their virtual machines. They have full control over their infrastructure, including the ability to configure and manage it as needed. Real-life use cases. Startups and small businesses often use IaaS to avoid the high costs of purchasing and maintaining physical infrastructure. For example, a new e-commerce business can quickly set up an online store using IaaS, scale its resources during peak shopping seasons, and reduce them during off-peak periods, all without the need for significant capital expenditure. Large enterprises might use IaaS to manage complex and fluctuating workloads. For instance, a financial services company might use IaaS to run high-performance computing, HPC applications for risk analysis, or to process large amounts of data for financial forecasting. The scalability and flexibility of IaaS allow them to handle these intense workloads efficiently. Disaster recovery is another common use case. Businesses can use IaaS to create a backup of their critical systems and data in the cloud. In the event of a disaster, such as a natural calamity or a cyber attack, they can quickly restore their operations by accessing their virtualized infrastructure, minimizing downtime and data loss. Examples of IaaS providers. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is one of the most prominent IaaS providers, offering a wide range of services, including computing power, EC2, storage, S3, and networking, VPC. Companies like Netflix and Airbnb use AWS to manage their massive online platforms. Microsoft Azure is another major IaaS provider known for its strong integration with Microsoft products like Windows Server, SQL Server, and Active Directory. Organizations like GE and Adobe rely on Azure to power their cloud infrastructure. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is popular for its advanced machine learning and data analytics capabilities. Companies like PayPal and Target use GCP to handle large-scale data processing and analysis. Conclusion. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, represents a powerful and flexible way to manage IT resources in the cloud. By leveraging virtualization, IaaS enables businesses to scale, reduce costs, and maintain control over their infrastructure without the burdens of physical hardware management. Whether for startups needing a quick launch, enterprises managing complex workloads, or businesses ensuring disaster recovery, IaaS offers a versatile solution that adapts to the ever changing demands of the digital landscape.